welcome to Just Being Nia. My name's Nia, and this is my little sister.
Hi, my name's Wama.
Today, we are going to be doing a kids baking challenge. Me and Wema couldn't agree on a cake, so it's a mystery ingredient cake challenge. I wanted the raspberry lemonade, and Wema wanted
Strawberry lemonade.
So, we are going to pick our ingredients while we are baking. Now you're putting in some of our ingredients. First, we're going to put 1 cup of sugar. We got our 1 cup here and our sugar. We pour. Oh, that's a lot of sugar.
So you're just gonna put it like this flat.
Now we will put in our butter sticks, 2 for each of us to unwrap. You will unwrap this one.
Because it's more unwrapped.
Okay. Whoa, this looks so creamy. Now we are going to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla. We got our vanilla. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oops. And pour. Oh. Wow. It's looking so far so good.
Do you think it's gonna taste good?
Yep. Wow. We have mixed it up and it looks fluffy. Now it is time to add in our eggs. We got our
Yeah, it
eggs.
does.
Okay, Mama, get an egg. Okay, like real big. Okay, that's 1 egg.
Closer. And you're over there and it's in front. And what?
Okay. Now, place it in the bowl.
And
What can I do with this?
let's
Can I
go
start this
together.
up?
Together.
Because you got it. Wow.
Oh, it smells good.
Now, let's add in our warm milk. Wow. Okay.
Now we're going to.
Here.
See how it swirls? That's how it's supposed to go.
Now you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Whoa. Okay, so put it over. Swift it. Now, time for the last one.
Okay,
Now,
Ready,
yes,
set.
it's time to pick our first fruits that go into our cake. Well, which bowl do you want to pick?
Oh yeah, that's still lemon. We're gonna smell this. Smells like strawberry. I was gonna choose soda lemonade, so I'm going with this one.
I'm gonna go with this one.
You like lemon?
Yeah, we're adding it into the cake. Well, let's do this one so that if we get the other ingredients, we can make a strawberry lemonade cake if we can.
Thanks you. I'm going with that one too.
We both picked bowl number 3.
You mean the pink bowl?
Yeah, the pink bowl. So let's see what's under it.
I
3,
know it's gonna be the lemon.
3, 2, 1. Yes, it was lemon.
So let's reveal these 2 and see which one we didn't get. I
didn't
knew
get-
it was orange.
We didn't get lime or oranges, but that's okay because we are one step closer to making a strawberry lemonade cake. We picked out our first fruit. It was lemon. So we zested the lemon and now we are going to put it into our wet ingredients. Okay, going to mix our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients.
That's enough. That's enough. That's one third. Sit down.
That's what was under it. We mixed in our lemon juice and lemon zest, and now it is time to pick our berries. We have 3 bowls just like last time. Which one do you think we should get?
No peeking.
Dude, which one do you think smells like strawberry?
I'm fixing them so that we can peek. Don't peek under. That's what I'm fixing. I'm gonna go with this one.
Me too.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Strawberries! I think I'm gonna go with this one because I love my mom. You see this wicked?
Oh, yeah.
Makes it a heart.
Let me see the heart.
Now let's see the other fruits that we didn't get. Now let's see the fruits that we didn't get. We didn't get raspberries or blackberries.
Because they have, you see these thorns? That's what gets stuck in your teeth.
We picked strawberries out of the 3 bowls. And now we are using our kid-friendly knives to cut them. These knives do not cut you like normal knives. So these are good for
They do
kids
not
under
cut-
ages of 4.
Under ages of 4?
Yeah. Wait, over ages of 4.
Yes.
So 4-year-olds can still use them. Jeez, I am not with my words today.
Who's eating the berries?
Grandma.
I was not. Liar panned on fire.
Okay. We chopped up our strawberries and tossed them in some flour. Now it is time to pour them into our mixture. Okay, let's do it. Wow. Those are a lot of strawberries. Oh no, I feel like I'm gonna drop the whole thing in. Gently fold it into our mixture like that. Not like that, Mama. Like this. No mixing, like actual mixing. Yes, like that. Back, forth, back and forth, back.
This is, if you guys haven't watched the other baking video, go watch them both. And then
Mixture.
We poured in the mixture into our pans. Now we just have to gently swish it around and do this. Our cakes are ready. They are out of the oven. Now we're going to show you how they look. We are going to flip them over. Uh-huh. Wow. They smell really good. And now it is time to choose our last mystery ingredient, our frosting. We have buttercream, whipped cream, and cream cheese.
Yeah.
They are all in here, and I'm gonna shake it for women to choose one. So you don't have to close your eyes.
No, I don't think this one.
Take that.
No,
You have to take
no.
it. You have to take it.
No.
So we got cream cheese. We picked out our last mystery ingredient and we picked cream cheese. And we put a 1/4 cup of butter. And now we're going to put in the cream cheese and mix it for a minute.
If you do not know what
Okay,
cream cheese looks like,
now it is time to open the bag. Okay, it is in. Now to start mixing for a minute.
oh, this looks like something I tasted before.
We have mixed our cream cheese and butter. And now it is time to add our jam. Lemma's going to pour it in. It's
Brother. You just got the cookies all over
And she
Lemma.
can't lick. She wants to lick.
Oh my god.
Lemma!
What?
Off the whisk!
It looks and smells like yogurt. Well, it's not all you're gonna get anyway. We are frosting the cake. So, we have our very pretty pink frosting. It'll get done easy.
Yeah, they might fall off, so you have to use spatulas or your. But don't use your fingers, cause other people are gonna be eating with you.
Do you like the challenge?
I love this. I am loving this challenge.
Lemma, what were you about to do?
We have frosted our cake and decorated it with fruits.
Lemma, is it done?
Yep.
What do you think?
And now we brought some friends over to take a taste test.
So introduce him. Who's that guy?
I'm Sean. I'm their cousin.
They clearly love him a lot.
Yeah.
All right, time to eat the cake.
Yeah,
Sean, what do you think? Presentation?
It looks very nice. I like how they added.
Sean, we know a knife you can use.
Okay.
Okay.
You guys presented the fruits on it. It looks very nice. And the frosting, you guys did it very well. Yeah.
So Sean doesn't know the flavor. Can you tell him what flavor we picked?
We choose dun, 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 strawberry lemonade cake.
Ooh.
Cut the cake.
Cut the cakey.
Wait.
Here's your plate.
Wow, it looks nice. Ooh.
Can you
How are you
cut it so
gonna
I
eat
can
it?
have a piece?
West.
Looks nice.
They need a fork. Who's gonna get him a fork?
Right, Shira?
Get 3 forks.
Move it, my turn.
No, my turn.
So what's the verdict?
It's so good.
Really good.
Do you taste the strawberry and the lemonade?
Yeah.
Sure, what do you think?
It tastes so good.
Really, Lemma? Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Watching.